Getting geared up for Australia's biggest horsepower party? Everyone at Summernats is here to have a blast. So to keep all 100,000 of you petrol heads safe, we've got to lay down a few do's and don'ts. Respect ACT road rules, both inside the venue and around the city. That includes no drink driving. Break the law and you'll have the cops to deal with. You know we live for burnout battles. That's why we've got a Summernats burnout track. The best and only place for you to smoke the tyres. So don't light them up in the cruise room, in the car parks or anywhere else. If you do, you can say sayonara to your Nats tickets. Also, don't bring fuel into the campsite. You can buy what you need here and keep a lookout for pedestrians at all times. And what about the do's? Simple, just drive carefully at entries, exits, crossings in the campsite. Remember to wear your seatbelt. Follow directions from Summernats staff. And don't forget to have the time of your life. Remember all this, and everyone will have an epic time.